Morning team, it's Monday, October 31st, last day of the month. Let's have a look. This week is a pretty big one. We got FOMC on Wednesday and NFP on Friday. So we got a lot of action. Tomorrow technically it's kind of bank holiday in half Europe because Halloween, and today it doesn't look too messy. Little trick: if you want to know when is the real FOMC, go on this website, the website of Federal Reserve, because sometimes it's a FOMC minutes and it's not the real one, but this is the real one on November 1 and 2. So this is gonna move markets. Anyway, let's go back to charts. Okay, as I said, it's the last day of the month. The monthly doesn't look like some big shenanigans can happen, to be honest. Looks like pretty normal inside the candle. I don't think they're gonna take out anything of the candle before. Weekly, last week closed as a ride, as we were afraid. So right now doesn't look too good. And daily, it's still looking good, to be honest. This was my plan from last week. Untested support here, untested resistance here. I think if we go in here, we should find at least a bounce, some strength to bounce, and we're gonna see once we get there. And let's go on hourly. H12. Okay. Here we form a swing low. So this swing low is not a bad thing. If we are still like above the fair value gap right now, and this kind of breaker mitigation block, if we manage to ride H12 swing low and instantly reject, I think we can keep going higher. As I said last week, if we start to close H12 below this support, not good for bulls. It's gonna go down again, in my opinion. Okay, H4. This is a strong support. They broke two nice resistances, 1 and 2. So if we get here, I'm gonna look for longs at least. But right now, H4 closed twice below this order block, 1 and 2, and that doesn't look good at all. Like at all. If you ask me, this slow bleeding can easily bring the charts here. You know, I don't see on H4 anything bullish right now. If we go to H1, H1 is more interesting. Okay, I get more clarity here. Okay, big liquidity void. Right now we are printing lower low, lower highs. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But even more nice here, there is look at this. Last week on Friday close, I think, or I don't remember. No, on Friday New York Open, we ran higher into this bearish H1 order block that clearly broke the structure here. We ride in H1 and we instantly BMS H1 again. I mean, when you see this is anything but bullish. Ride BMS inside H1 order block. So I think we can go some premium before keep going lower. These highs are a little bit suspicious, but technically this chart can just keep going, you know, can just keep going down hourly. Let's go to low time frame. Okay. There was an opening gap also on my feed and on Saxo. Chart chopped a while in here, filled the gap, and now it's going down. This can keep just going down, to be honest. Doesn't have to clean this liquidity. This is like optional, because many times the opening gaps serves as a resistance or support. And in my opinion, big liquidity is here. But I wouldn't be surprised at all if for London Open we ride Asia high and Friday close into this untested M15. rejection block. I wouldn't be surprised if we do this, something like this. I mean, I saw this thing done on Euro many times. You know, kind of AMD. I can see that. And that's it for me for today. Tomorrow is bank holiday here. I don't know if I'm gonna do a review or not. Maybe tonight I go out, but if I don't do anything tomorrow and come back Wednesday, okay? Have a nice day.